Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. In this video, we are going to see what is osmosis and osmotic pressure. First, we see the definition of osmosis. Osmosis is a spontaneous process by which the solvent molecules pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a solution of lower concentration to a solution of higher concentration. To explain osmosis, let us consider a simple U-tube apparatus. Here we should take two components. One is pure solvent, that is water molecules. Another one is aqueous sodium chloride solution. So we have to divide this chamber into two by using semi-permeable membrane. This is semi-permeable membrane having small pores. This semi-permeable membrane allows only solvent molecules, that is water molecules, from one solution to another solution. So it is fixed in the middle of the U-tube chamber, so that U-tube chamber is divided into two parts called left hand side compartment and right hand side compartment. In this U-tube chamber, on the left hand side we have taken pure water, that is solvent molecules, and on the right hand side we have taken aqueous sodium chloride solution. These two solutions are separated by semi-permeable membrane. In the initial stage, the two compartments have in equal heights. Even though they have in equal heights, there is some difference in concentration. So the water molecules move from left hand side compartment to right hand side compartment through semi-permeable membrane. So on right hand side compartment, volume is increasing. On the right hand side compartment, not only increasing the volume, there is a decrease in concentration also. So these two factors, that is increased in volume and decrease in concentration, creates a pressure difference between the two compartments. This pressure difference push some of water molecules from right side compartment to left side compartment through the semi-permeable membrane. It allows only water molecules, not sodium chloride solute particles. So this process occurs continuously until an equilibrium is established. At equilibrium, the rate of movement of solvent molecules on both the directions are equal. So the pressure difference at equilibrium is called osmotic pressure, that is represented by pi symbol. This osmotic pressure can be defined as the pressure that must be applied to the solution to stop the solvent molecule through the semi-permeable membrane.